Okay, so we just stopped at Walmart, didn't we? Because we're picking up some supplies because we're about to take off for a couple-day trip. The dash cam's working real good, babe. Look at it.
Yeah. I love that. I'm glad we both agreed on that.
Olive pickle.
Factory. There it is. There's a sign right there.
See, Harvest House.
Yep. Do you park there or do you park? Oh, because it looked like 3 different spots. That's what it's.
It is. We're gonna park this way.
Oh, you mean back up to it? Gotcha.
Okay, so we're at RNR Brewing. That's where we're parked right there. Inside their compounds. Island Cafe, Taste the Caribbean. We already ordered chow. Look at this place. Everything you want. And they say this weekend is Pickle Fest. So this place is gonna be slammed. There's Hopi. There's Little Bit. She's enjoying it, aren't ya? Island Cafe, Taste the Caribbean, and this food is on point. Look at that.
Mine's the chicken.
Jerk chicken?
Jerk barbecue.
Jerk barbecue. And I got the quesadilla, and it is magnificent.
With jerk chicken.
Yeah, with jerk chicken. It is. Whew, that's on point. And the Pickleton beer, it is so good. So good.
Pineapple lemonade, and I'll tell you in a few minutes here.
Yeah.
So this is cabbage with you can pick, I think, 6 different choices.
There you go.
White
I'll zoom
rice,
in.
Yellow rice, rice and peas, cabbage, mac and cheese.
Look at the prices as well. Pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. Okay, Bit is getting used to living in the new modifications to the van.
She's like, 2 jumps, I'm done.
Because she's got to jump from there all the way up to there. And before, she could basically just step up. But she's doing it. Took some time, but she's getting used to it. Aren't you, Bit? You my baby girl? Are you my baby girl? Give me a smile.
Bother me, I'm trying to cool off right now.
It's okay. Okay, so morning routine now. So we opened up the back to get some light in. Just moved half the blinds off the window.
Made the bed.
Wow, the bed's almost made.
Yeah, your side, I know I gotta climb up there.
But now it's take the window coverings down and see how much moisture we got. And we'll use the carter to suck up all the moisture from last night. Because I'll take the front window off. Not front window. Passenger side. A little bit of moisture right there. Okay, next we'll do the side window and the sliding door. Really not too bad though, moisture-wise, though, babe.
No, it's not. That one's not at all.
Yeah.
Just a corner. Put that in a
I mean, because last night it got down to about 55, something like that. I mean, right now it's 59 out and 71 in here. When we went to bed last night, it was
in the 80s, wasn't it?
It was like 84, 85. And on the inside it was about 80. So we turned on the evapor cooler and it worked really good, as always.
Oh, let's get that bug on, man.
A little bit more moisture up front, as you can see. There's the amount of liquid it pulls off. All that would go down and rot out your windowsills. I'm enjoying the sun. Huh? Is that good? Oh, you're shy of the camera now, huh? Good girl. Hi, Lil Bit. Puppy's coffee, decaf. It's good. Okay. Last of the Timmy Hortons.
Say bye, Timmy, until I order some more.
Yeah, this is good stuff. I like it.
You didn't give me that much.
Your cup's smaller than mine. My mug's way bigger. Okay, that little pour over kettle is enough for a big Yeti and a medium size. So for us it's perfect. A little bacon and eggs for breakfast.
That's not blowing away. What you putting on?
Well, we got cheese, bacon, eggs, egg whites, HP sauce for breakfast, and coffee.
It's the norm over in Britain to use HP sauce or brown sauce, they call it, on chips or Sammy's sandwiches. I've taken a liking to it a lot.
This is where we stayed last night. Up there, I think is Main Street. Apart from a train twice last night, and I think the local fire department has a loud siren. It went off twice. Really nice, peaceful. Really, really nice. There's the van. In the background is RNR Brewing. If you're a Harvest Host guest, they put in RNR Brewing, put in charging units and water spigots for Harvest Host people. Brilliant.
amazing. People in there were great last night.